In this video, I will guide you on how to rejoin WhatsApp group after leaving. If you have left your WhatsApp group and you want to rejoin, then follow these steps. First, launch open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the three dots at the top right corner and from here tap on settings. Once you get to settings, you want to tap on the account option. Now you have the option of change phone number, tap on that. Here tap on next. Now enter your old phone number over here with the country code. Then you want to enter your new phone number over here. Now tap on next. Now you want to complete the number change process. After that, you want to open the group chat that you left. Then tap on the join option to rejoin the group. If this process does not work, then the alternative method is you simply want to open the group chat. So let's say this one. Now you want to message the group admin and ask them to send you a new invitation link to rejoin the group. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.